Yes, it's finished! Nearly, nearly. Yesterday they did the primer coat.
Primer
Coat. So we are very happy. After 1 week, maybe a little bit more, sanding the hull, lot of dust everywhere. It was very difficult. So we did before the primer coat a nice washing of Javerne. It was full of dust and it needs before doing this job. So we are very happy, nearly on the sea, yes!
How we did the washing?
With a high pressure.
Wow, great. Now, I was just going to say about the sail drive. The sail drive, we put a primary coat, especially for aluminium, and that's it. As you see on the video, on the last video, we had to repair the boat with epoxy. We had to glue plywood with epoxy, and I'm going just to explain a little bit what I know about epoxy. Thank you, Alain, because he gave me a lot of instruction about this. Basic epoxy, it's liquid, A plus B, and there is proportion how to mix. But it's a liquid. Then you have to add microballon, or this one it's called phenolite, and that's to get a little more how to say, thick, exactly, thick. And you don't have to put so much liquid because you are compensated with microballon and this thing, and you mix this together, and that's give you something quite hard and easy to apply wherever you need. But I find on the market this thing here in Richards Bay. It's epoxy A plus B, half-half. You put half for one, half for the other one, and it do exactly like this one on the table, but this one it's mixed already. You just have to mix together, and it's very strong. And how it looks, one is the hardener, the other one is the glue, the epoxy. Thank you, Alain. What you are going to do today? You are going to fly a Swiss guy on top of the mast.
Yes. Je vais pas te louper.
The genaker is back in his place. I'm very happy, everything went well. I used the car in front of the boat to tie down the genaker, and I released there is an adjustment available on top of the genaker. I release around 5-6 centimeters on the top there, and I have to go back to tie it, and everything is great. I just forget to release this piece of rope. I have to climb with the mast chair to go up there to release that.
Okay, today I'm sewing a nice cover for my fender. As you can see, it's a special fender, and before it was just on a t-shirt on the fender. It was not strong, so here I can buy some material very strong, look like umbrella, and I'm doing this job this morning. It's nearly finished because I already made 5 of them, so that's the result after a few days. So it will be nice when we'll go to the marina, and we have to put the fender between the pontoon and the boat, and make less noise, and the material is very strong. So, nearly finished.
Changing all the screw, all the bolt, all the nut, and replace with 316L. There was just the washer in 304, and this gives the rust everywhere. And now I change all of them and put a new bolt and new screw.
And you are doing that since 1 hour, and you did only 5.
No, I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6.
In 1 hour?
Yeah, that means 22 in 3 hours.
Oh, you are very slow, huh?
Yes, but you can do if you want. I give you all the tools and you can try.
No, it's your boat. You chose this life, you have to do it.
No, you can say it's a blue job.
Yeah, blue job.
It's a blue job.
And this is the old one.
That's the old one, yeah. They are as we can see, some of them, the head is broken, and that's corrosion, only corrosion, but there is a thread on all the lengths, and that's what I change now. I put bolt with only partial thread. That means they cannot break the bolt here on the top, and here we get the nut, and that's 316L.
As you can see, we have so much work to do on our boat. So there is few jobs very boring. So here it's a nice place to give this job at the guys here. They are happy to work, and it's a very boring job. So I'm going to see you, the guy, doing our stainless steel cleaning. All the rust and this kind of stuff.
Corinne, she just buy a new mirror. Magical mirror.
Yes, make me more younger.
That's possible. There you pay a lot of money then. It was white at the beginning, but she don't like the white.
No. Grey, it's perfect.
Grey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nearly done. It's for our bathroom, because the old one is broken, so a new one.
It's a really big mess on the boat. All the tools, nearly all the tools of the boat are out. We have to fix a lot of small things, and I have a to-do list, but it's nearly empty. I did all repair that I have to do, and now it's the boat is nearly finished. They finished the anti-fouling, and we'll put the boat in the water in 4 days' time, so we can finish few other things, and that's it. And then the big cleaning will be done on the water. It will be much easier to do it without the dust of the other boat around. We just changed the look of Javerne. Can you find out what we did? We did something new on the boat. Can you see it? The second coat of anti-fouling is done. Now we are doing a little more on the waterline, the rest of the drum. We use 20 liter now most of the time, and what's left we are going to put on the waterline. So let's cover a little more.
Another job on the boat. So today we change all the tap, je crois. I think it's tap. I'm not sure. Sorry, my English is not very good. But we changed this stuff, and Michel was very angry because he had some problem to fix it. But he did it, and I'm very happy. And I also changed the mirror. So to the last passage, the mirror fell down and was broken. So I changed for a new one, and it was some hole here to fix the last mirror, and just to hide, I put some decoration to hide the little hole. So I'm happy. Still to fix the mirror, but I cannot ask Michel because he's very tight. Otherwise he will kill me, I'm sure. Next time.
I'm removing all the paint of the sail drive, just to put the anode, because the contact should be steel, and I have to remove all the paint around to be exactly, that's the paint. There is no paint between, otherwise the anode don't do his job. And for that I have a very nice tool, I don't know in English, so I can remove all the paint and no much steel. I'm doing the second propeller, and I went with the thread inside the hole again to remove all the glue, all the Loctite inside, because that job we can do it underwater, and if everything is clean one time, then the next time under the water it will be much easier.
You are very clever.
Yes.
Is all but gone, but lingers on in scented clouds of air. We watch the town awaken to the trembling morning lights. You're so near and spring is everywhere. We danced until the stars came out and spread across the sky. The wee small hours of morning all went by, and day is here. We won't give up our dancing, and across the floor we fly. When you are near, spring is in the air. I hold you so close, I think you must hear my heart tingle. We're